Hey, this week's video comes from two different sports events that took place in Seattle. The first one is the Kracken game, which I won the tickets from KJR 93.3 Sports Radio. And the second one will be at T-Mobile Park, Mariners against the Yankees. The crowd is fired up and ready for Seattle Kraken hockey here at Climate Pledge Arena. As the teams get ready for the national anthem, let's all take our hats off and let's listen to the national anthem. The end of the first period is 2-0 Kraken. Let's go Kraken. The stunning living plant wall brings the Pacific Northwest indoors, featuring over 30 plant species and even native western hemlock trees. It is designed to mirror the lush Washington rainforest. Funded by Amazon, the wall highlights sustainability using recycled materials and water-saving systems, while creating a powerful, nature-inspired welcome for the fans. And throughout the arena, there is a major push towards zero waste and the efforts to make everything recyclable or compostable.
Three-time Stomp State champions, the Lincoln High School cheer team.
It was kind of cool to have Lincoln High School there. Two of my brothers and my nephews and nieces all went to Lincoln High School. And that was a great win by the Kraken, and I really thank 93.3 KJR Sports Radio for the free tickets.
Tonight's game coming up in just a few short moments.
Big win for the Kraken tonight, 5-1. Let's go Kraken, keep it rolling. Got the beautiful Space Needle right behind us. And now we will be coming from T-Mobile Park to show you the All-Star Club at the Seattle Mariners game against the New York Yankees.
All right, guys, we're here at the All-Star Club. All we can eat food, drinks, all kind of good stuff. Donna's heading through. I'm heading right behind us.
All right, this is dinner for the night here at the Mariners game. Game going on right shortly here at the All-Star Club. So tonight's menu was rack of lamb, flank steak, kebab chicken, salads, roasted sweet potatoes, hot dogs, nachos, popcorn, ice cream, peanuts, cookies, and so much more. I just can't list it all. Hey, this is Dave from Relish Travels here at the Mariners game, against the first game of the year against the Yankees. Let's go M's. So right behind us here, you got a big picture of Griffey. Right there, Ken Griffey Jr, the kid. Right here, you got the Wall of Fame here, all the previous Mariners. Walking down the hallway from the All-Star Club at T-Mobile Park feels like stepping through a living timeline of baseball greatness. The walls are lined with iconic images. Ken Griffey Jr, smooth left-handed swing, frozen in perfect form. Ichiro Suzuki mid-stride with that unmistakable focus alongside legends like Cal Ripken Jr., Kirby Puckett, who helped define entire eras of the game. It's more than just a corridor. It's a quiet, almost reverent space where the history of baseball surrounds you, each photo telling a story of greatness, consistency, and unforgettable moments. As you walk through, there's this sense that you're not just heading to your seats, you're passing through the legacy of the game itself, right there in the heart of Seattle.
Here we are, about a half hour before game time, guys. Let's go M's. Let's win this game against the Yankees. Look at the view here. So we are right over at the end there, right? The All-Star Club in there. Donna's sitting inside where it's warm and toasty right now. It's like 45 degrees out. All right, coming from you live from T-Mobile. All right, let's go M's. Let's beat the Yankees tonight. Now we're gonna walk inside here to where they have some pool tables and a foosball. Let's go check this out.
So inside the game room at T-Mobile Park, there's this perfect blend of fun and franchise history. Right in the center sits a Mariners branded pool table, a spot where fans can relax, rack 'em up, and soak in the atmosphere before the first pitch. But what really makes the room special is the tribute on the wall, the Game Changers. Larger than life images of Ken Griffey Jr., Edgar Martinez, Jay Buhner, and Randy Johnson reminds you of just how much star power has come through Seattle. Griffey's effortless swing, Edgar's legendary postseason heroics, Buhner's grit and power, and Johnson's dominance on the mound. There are more than great players, they are a foundation of modern Mariners history.
So we are on the club level, outside the clubs, into their game room.
And right there, they also have the posters of legendary artists and sold-out shows that line the space, capturing moments when the stadium transforms into a massive live music venue. It's a reminder of the ballpark isn't just about home runs. It's also about the biggest names and the loudest nights in Seattle entertainment. And then you have Fernando Rodney shooting his arrow deep into the sky. And we're just taking a walk through the crowd to get to the new hallway with all the new memorabilia I've never seen.
You're okay. Thank you. Look at this. Kingo.
Team did not, I think, go along with it.
All right, here we go. Lou Piniella. It's pretty cool, guys. They said this is just done this year, so this is new. Giddy up, God. Get out the rye bread and mustard, Grandma. It's grand salami time. Dave Niehaus Broadcast Center. I don't believe it. It just continues.
And now there's the seventh inning stretch. Go M's, baseball, Cracker Jacks, and a big win.
Alright, they just brought the big dumper in.
And they're bringing in Matt Brash to put out the fire. Let's go, Matt. Make it happen for us. As you can see, Cal came through, got a big win against the Yankees.
All right, big win by the M's. Nice job. Blake Dr. Madison. All right, so we're out here from T-Mobile. Mariners beat Yankees 2-1 in the ninth. Big hit by Cal. Dave from Relish Travels, and we are out. OM. Big win here in Seattle, beating the Yankees. Mariners 2-1. What a night. Beginning of baseball season.
Two great games for Seattle sports. The Mariners took a 2-1 win over the Yankees. The Kraken brought the energy. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and keep cheering our teams as the action continues.